Starting around the 2nd of June 2023, Theta organization truly is exchanging at 83 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.28% and especially most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Theta by and large has a truly all-out market cap of $834,744,245 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $8,438,030 in an unpretentious manner. This by and large makes Theta organization extremely positioning at 54 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Theta organization cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Theta organization truly be worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Theta organization a sort of wise venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023, or so they truly thought? Will Theta cost fundamentally outperform its unequaled high, which generally is very huge? These essentially are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future in an unpretentious manner. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2023 as per the Theta Organization Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination. In 2023, the Theta cost fundamentally is supposed to sort of cross a sort of normal value level of $1.12. The normal kind of least value worth of Theta Organization toward the finish of the especially current year ought to for the most part be $1.08, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Besides, Theta can arrive at a greatest value level of $1.28 in an unpretentious manner. Theta Organization Value Gauge May 2023. In May 2023, the cost of Theta Organization explicitly is supposed to basically be at around in every practical sense, least of 84 cents, showing that sort of is Theta Organization a wise speculation or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023, or so they basically thought. Theta organization cost can fundamentally arrive at an especially limit of 95 cents with the exceptionally normal cost of 92 cents in USD, which sort of is very critical. Theta Organization Value Expectation June 2023. The cost for Theta Organization in June 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 92 cents and 98 cents. Or so they really thought. While the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around 96 cents amazingly. Theta Organization Value Estimate July 2023. The Theta Organization cost for July 2023 may generally arrive at an in every practical sense least worth of 95 cents while the sort of most extreme gauge value sort of is around $1.03, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. The exceptionally normal cost for Theta by and large is really anticipated to reach 98 cents in July 2023 in an unpretentious way. Theta Organization Value Estimate August 2023. The Theta Organization cost for August 2023 may sort of arrive at a very least worth of 97 cents while the exceptionally most extreme gauge cost by and large is around $1.08, which in a real sense is very critical. The in every practical sense, normal cost for Theta especially is explicitly anticipated to in a real sense reach $1.01 in August 2023 in a for the most part large manner. Theta Organization Value Expectation September 2023. The cost for Theta Organization in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $1 and $1.13, really in spite of mainstream thinking, while the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $1.03. Showing that Theta Organization Value Conjecture August 2023. The Theta Organization cost for August 2023 may by and large arrive at the very least worth of 97 cents while the truly greatest anticipated cost fundamentally is around $1.08, which truly is very critical. Theta Organization Value Expectation October 2023. The cost for Theta Organization in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $1.03 and $1.18, or so they generally thought. While the typical exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $1.07 in a sort of significant manner. Theta Value Figure November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Theta Organization in a real sense is estimated to especially be at around an especially least worth of $1.06, exhibiting how starting around the 2nd of June 2023 Theta Organization especially is exchanging at 83 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.28% in most certainly most recent hour in a sort of enormous manner. The Theta Organization value worth can generally arrive at a really limit of $1.23 with the very normal exchanging worth of $1.10 in USD, or so they thought. Theta Value Gauge December 2023. The Theta Organization figure for December 2023 expects that the Theta may really arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of $1.28 with a very least cost of around $1.08 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the in every way that really matters. Normal value Theta can basically stretch around $1.12 for December, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Theta organization essentially passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of has been especially diminished by 0.17% in its truly current worth, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Assuming we basically think about the by and large current market cap of the Theta with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down, or so they for the most part thought. Theta organization certainly is confronting in every practical sense difficult time jumping aboard with extremely other crypto coins in an exceptionally significant manner. The Theta sort of is down to nearly 0.65% in the absolute most recent 7 days and in every practical sense, significant way. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for past not many days. The coin could have areas of strength for truly yet. We don't especially imagine that it would a productive resource in especially present moment. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta in every practical sense diminished by 27.915%, wiping out an incredible genuinely normal amount of 32 cents from its truly current worth, or so they by and large thought. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a kind of good for the most part purchase a valuable open door for truly fast interest in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 20.80%, and the cost commonly coursed from a truly least typical cost of 97 cents to by and large most extreme exceptionally normal cost of $1.06 in the beyond 90 day. So Theta organization truly is confronting a fundamentally difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins, which basically is genuinely critical. In most recent 4 months, Theta organization in a real sense has shown a developing pattern, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Consequently, we fundamentally feel that comparable pieces of the market for the most part were very famous at that period in a by and large enormous manner, as indicated by the essentially the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Theta organization generally is expanded from 4 months, showing that Theta organization value figure July 2023. The Theta organization cost for July 2023 may arrive at a genuinely least worth of 95 cents, while the really greatest guage cost is around $1.03, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The exchanging volume comprises an essential job in its cost in an especially huge manner. The coin for the most part is up by 9.67%, with the greatest truly normal cost of the coin sort of was around 78 cents, and the by and large least typical cost of really was around 76 cents and kind of beyond 4 months in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization value gauge 2023 FAQs. What will especially be Theta organization most certainly worth in 2023, or so they by and large thought. The Theta cost explicitly is estimated to explicitly arrive at an especially greatest degree of $1.28 with pretty least cost of $1.08 toward the finish of 2023, which truly shows that these in every practical sense are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future, which in a real sense is very critical. Does Theta organization generally have a future, which basically is very critical? As far as value, Theta organization generally